Welcome to Section 1, a room of one's own, the allure of conservatories. A conservatory is more than just an extension, it's a bridge between your home and garden. Imagine enjoying natural light, even on cloudy days. Picture yourself sipping tea as rain gently falls on the glass roof. Conservatories bring the outdoors in, adding valuable living space. However, before you start picking out plants and furniture, it's crucial to understand the costs involved. Building a conservatory is an investment in your home. Like any significant purchase, careful planning and budgeting are essential. This guide will walk you through the various factors. We'll explore everything from size and materials to hidden expenses. By the end, you'll have a firm grasp on conservatory costs. Moving on to Section 2, size matters, the footprint of your dream space. Let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the conservatory. Size plays a major role in determining the final cost. A small, lean-to conservatory will naturally be cheaper than a large, bespoke design. Think about how you plan to use the space. Will it be a cozy reading nook, a dining area, or a playroom for the kids? Each function demands a different amount of square footage. Consider factors like furniture placement and ease of movement. Remember, bigger isn't always better. Measure your available space carefully. Choose a size that complements your home and garden without breaking the bank. Now let's dive into Section 3, Material World. Choosing the right conservatory build. The materials you choose significantly impact both the aesthetic and the cost of your conservatory. UPVC is a popular choice due to its affordability and low maintenance. It offers good insulation and comes in a variety of colors. For a more traditional look, timber is a timeless option. It's naturally beautiful and offers excellent thermal performance. However, timber-framed conservatories tend to be more expensive than UPVC. Aluminium is another alternative, known for its strength and durability. It requires minimal upkeep and can achieve a sleek, modern aesthetic. However, aluminium can be a more expensive choice than UPVC. Finally, in Section 4, feature presentation, adding comfort and style. Features impact both the functionality and price of your conservatory. Double or triple glazing is essential for insulation, reducing heating costs in the long run. Consider the style of roof. Glass roofs maximize natural light, while solid roofs offer better temperature control. Don't forget about flooring, lighting, and ventilation. Underfloor heating provides luxurious warmth, while roof vents prevent overheating in summer. These choices may seem small, but they add up quickly. Think about how you want to use your conservatory throughout the year. Prioritize features that enhance comfort and enjoyment, while remaining mindful of your budget. Section 5, location, regional price variations. Where you live in the UK can definitely influence the costs of building a conservatory. For instance, labor costs tend to be higher in London and the southeast. Furthermore, planning permission regulations and building codes can also vary quite a bit by region. Accessibility is another crucial factor. If your site is difficult to access, it might actually increase labor and material transportation costs. It's really wise to factor in these regional variations when setting your budget. Don't be afraid to contact multiple contractors in your area to get a better idea. Always ask for detailed quotes that outline all costs, including labor, materials, and any regional surcharges. Section 6, the hidden costs. Budgeting beyond the basics. When budgeting for your conservatory, it's crucial to consider hidden costs. Groundwork is often overlooked. Depending on your soil type, you might need extensive excavation or foundation work. Connecting your conservatory to your home's existing heating system is another expense. Insulation is key to keeping your conservatory warm in winter and cool in summer. Factor in the cost of insulation for the floor, walls, and roof. Don't forget about finishing touches like decorating and landscaping. These might seem minor, but they can quickly add up. Section 7, quotation quest, comparing apples to apples. Getting multiple quotes is crucial when building a conservatory. It allows you to compare prices and ensure you're getting a fair deal. But remember, the cheapest quote isn't always the best. Pay attention to the level of detail in each quote. Are all costs clearly itemized? Does the quote include VAT? Don't hesitate to ask questions and clarify any uncertainties. Check the contractor's experience and reputation. Ask for references and look for online reviews. Choosing a reputable contractor can save you headaches down the line. Section 8. Dream big, spend smart, balancing aspiration with budget. Building a conservatory is an exciting project. It's easy to get carried away with grand designs and luxurious features. However, it's essential to balance your aspirations with your budget. Start by setting a realistic budget you can comfortably afford. Prioritize essential features that meet your needs and enhance your enjoyment. Don't be afraid to make compromises. Remember, a well-planned conservatory, even on a modest budget, can transform your home and lifestyle. The key is to make informed decisions and choose a reputable contractor who understands your vision. Section 9. Conclusion. Your conservatory, your way. Building a conservatory is a significant investment, but with careful planning and budgeting, it's an achievable dream for many homeowners. Remember to consider all the factors that influence cost. Don't be afraid to ask questions, compare quotes, and negotiate with contractors. Ultimately, the goal is to create a space that brings you joy and enhances your lifestyle. So, start dreaming, start planning, and soon you'll be enjoying your very own slice of paradise. A conservatory tailor-made for you. Enjoy the process.